audio round. Now, in the first general round, everybody, in the first general round, look, you will be given 5 questions. First to Kangal, then Tiken Radit, next Pauna, and then Pakamba. On the second round, I will come from Tiken Radit, Pauna, Pakamba, and Kangal. Likewise, I will keep on continuing. Okay, so we will get 5 questions each. Question Mana Pangani ko. Ahamada, Kangal House, Tiki Hogani, first Kida, next Tiken Radit, Tiki Mahogani, Kamaiko Una, question Mana Hagani. How many questions? 5. The first round. Your first question will be at 20 marks. 20 marks. Shall we go neighbor? 20 marks. If you don't know the question, you can pass to your next house. Very good. Khangda answer to the question to pass out there. Very good. The point pass out the pass. If you don't know, then you can pass. If you give the answer, you want to give me a pass. Go. Very good. House answer Lalaba, pass out. Go. This is the rule. Next, rapid fire round. House of the Yam Sunas Mahangalakani. House of the Koshamanga Yam Sunas Mahangalakani. The question is that, do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? Okay. Question solved over question Kayavani. Do you have a pen? Okay, fine. Solved. So, and next, we will have a further round. Siddha Marisida, we will ask you 10 questions. And then the primary house, Bazar had a cable and another. Last decision though, Kamiba, Mami, and then we will have audience round also. I quite give Masaka Kamiba participants in the audience pastor and we have the prizes also for the audience. Audience is about the 2 prizes. We will have prizes for the audience. Now, house in charges to all the house students. We have got the result of the declamation, inter-house declamation competition. Cross your hearts, cross your hearts, cross your hearts. And here is the result. And to be honest, this is the declamation, the participant of for me and for everyone also, you all are winners. You all are winners. But for us, you all are winners. What you have done is wonderful and fantastic. Please give a big hand for all the participants for declamation. Now the results I will say only 3rd, 2nd and 1st. Participating in the Harage. I will say only the book away. That is side. We have got okay, so Mommy has insisted us that we will declare the result after the quiz. Wow. So keep on crossing your heart and pray. Thank you. Now we are going to start inter-house quiz competition for junior. Please give a big hand for the participants. Okay, we will start introducing from the Kangal house. You can get into this first. Okay. Okay, so we will start. We have got Kangal house, Tiken house, Panga house, and Pakamba house, 4 houses, 4 participants. Okay. The first question. I have informed you the rules. The first question of today's inter-house quiz competition for the junior goes to Kangal house. Kangal house. Please get ready. Which matter you have to give the reply within 30 seconds. Timekeeper within 30 seconds. Bell thing say, bell say. Try to make other people bell what is bell last. Yeah. What is bell the whole buzzer round last thing okay, so first question to the Kangal house. 30 seconds. Which metal exists in liquid state at room temperature? Which metal exists in liquid state at room temperature? Karamba metal no liquid state like say room temperature. Yes? It's the right answer. 20 points for Kangal house is the right answer. The next question goes to the house. Ready? What is the most suitable vessel? What is the most suitable vessel for storing concentrated sulfuric acid? I repeat the question again. What is the most suitable vessel for storing concentrated sulfuric acid? High level acid care store tadamidamata karamba vessel sinageba. Which is the most suitable vessel for storing concentrated sulfuric acid? Yes? Pass. Pass to Pamla 15 seconds. Which is the most suitable vessel for storing concentrated sulfuric acid? High acid care the store tadamidama. High papa. Water. No. Okay, to the audience. What is the most suitable vessel for storing concentrated sulfuric acid? Sulfuric acid store to we have a say. What are you going to give? Yes, it's glass. It's glass. The prize to our student. So those answer correctly, please stand up. Miss, I house. This is the lady. Can you go? I'm not seeing the answer. This is what I do. I play master on this. If a student say, "What pass?" So when students give an answer, we stop it and we never make it pass. Okay. So. Next question, the third question goes to Pamla house. Are you ready? How many colors exist in sunlight? How many colors exist in sunlight? 30 seconds.
7.
Yes?
7.
Right answer. 20 marks for Pamla house. 20 marks for Pamla house. And next. The question goes to Pakamba house. Ready? What is the full form of RBC? What is the full form of RBC? Mike? Yes, sir. It's almost going to say any idea? Yes, it's red blood corpuscle. The right answer for the very good. Okay, the second round. The second round starts from second little house. Storekeeper, second little house. Ready? Hold your pen. What is the next prime number after 59? What is the next prime number after 59?
61.
Yes! 61 is the right answer for the 20 points for second round. Very good. Ready? Okay. How many rational numbers are there in between any two rational numbers? How many rational numbers are there in between any two rational numbers?
Final number.
Yes! Kangla House! Thank you again. Very good. Next to Kangla House. Ready? What is the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial? What is the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial? What is the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial? Yes? One is not the right answer. We will pass. Yes. To the audience, what is the degree of a non-zero constant polynomial? Yes, it's zero. Very good. Direct question to Haotal. Next, we have a direct question to Haotal. Ready? Okay. In which numerals the letters M or B belongs to? In which numerals the letters M, B belong to? M have a B and say. In which numerals the letters M, B belong to? In which numerals the letters M, B belongs to? Okay, pause the ticket at the house. 15 seconds. In which numerals the letters M or B belongs to? Yeah, it's a Roman numeral. 10 points to ticket at the house. 10 points to ticket at the house. With this, they come to the second round also. Next, the direct question from Kangla House. Ready? Who was the first Prime Minister of Free India? Who was the first Prime Minister of independent India? Who was the first Prime Minister of Free India? Of India.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yes, it's Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Very question. Now, to the audience also. When we say Free India, it's independent. Next. Ready? Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Rajya Sabha का chairman और इसका नाम. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Amin kate pa iposo. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? 30 seconds. Pass to Haotal. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha?
R.K. Ranjan.
Sorry. Yes. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Rajya Sabha की chairman से हम कहते को भाई पोस्ट करना होगी ना. Yes. Yes. Benedict. Almost. So माध्यम माना गया तो वही लोग.
President.
Yes. The Vice President of India. Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Now, the direct question to Haotal. When was Mahatma Gandhi born? When was the father of the nation born? In which year the Mahatma Gandhi was born? When was Mahatma Gandhi born? And people? Why? Pass to Secretary House. No. Nehru raised the national flag of India on 15 August 1977. Where did Nehru raise the national flag of India on 15 August 1977? Where? Karam jagada Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru na 15 August ki da flag se harke. Where?
Kolkata. Kolkata. Kolkata.
No. Yes. Yes. It's Red Fort. It's Red Fort. So it's the direct question from here. Stop. The direct question for Pakamba House. What is the full form of ICT? 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 ICT. Pass to Thangal House. ICT. Fifteen minutes. 15 seconds. Pass to Thangal House. 15 seconds. Pass to Pauna House. Okay, pass to audience. Yes, keep going. Exactly. If information and documentation technology, so anyway, next time we come to Thangal House. Okay, ready? What is the full form of HDMI? HDMI. HDMI. What is the full form of HDMI? Pass to Tikenajit House. Pass to Pauna House. Pass to Pakhamba House. Pass to audience. High definition. Very good, very good, very good. High definition multidimensional interface. Okay, now the direct question to Tikenajit House. What does GPS stand for? GPS. What does GPS stand for? My full form. GPS. Yes. GPS. I guess most of you have heard about GPS. What is GPS? 30 seconds. Pass to Pauna House. GPS. Pass to Pakhamba House.
System. Global.
Yes, it's global positioning system. Came now. Came now to Pakhamba House. Came now to Pakhamba House. Next, the direct question to Pauna House. What is the full form of SIM? S-I-M. SIM. Phone SIM. What is the full form of SIM? S-I-M. SIM. SIM card की SIM दो. देखो ये SIM card की SIM. What is the full form of SIM? Pass to Pakamba House.
Service of identification model.
Tungiri Toba, Aduda, when they say it should be subscriber. Come on, my identification module. Okay, we won't give marks. So it's subscriber identification module. Okay. Malu ada beli na, pasok biar tu. Ansar pi kita ada pasok tu drive. Nanti ansar amu pikir dia ada. Ada na sih je. Ada ini. Ini tu kita. Okay. Next, direct question from Hangal House. Now it's an English round, and we have to say the synonyms. We have to say the synonyms. Ready? Synonyms. Okay. What is the synonym of faithful? Faithful. Faithful. This is English round. I can't give you the meaning. So what is the synonym of faithful? This is English round. We can't translate. Pass to Tikendajit House. What is the synonym of faithful? Pass to Pangna House. No. Pass to Pakamba House. They said trustworthy. Is English teacher trustworthy okay with faithful? Trustworthy. It's a little bit near, so it's kind of then fine. Go. When do they are any go? Synonyms, almost synonym have the go. So 10 marks to Pakamba House. We have loyal here, loyalty, loyal. But trustworthy is almost same as trustworthy as loyal go. So it can be given marks. Now the direct question to Tikendajit House. What is the synonym of flaming? Flaming. Flaming. Yes, flaming.
Burst. Burst. Burst.
Burst. Yes, like flame, like burst. It's burning, but it's okay. It's burning. It's burst. Burst I see like what? So flaming is like a burst. Direct marks to Tikendajit House. Tikendajit House. Now, to direct question to Pamna House. What is the synonym of weary? Weary. Weary. W-E-A-R-Y. Weary.
Dressing, sir. Dressing.
No. No. Pass to audience. What is the synonym of weary? Tired. Yes, tired. Exhausted. Tired. Very good. Tired. This is three hands for 30. Tired. Okay. So with this, we have completed the round one. After this, we will have a rapid fire round. So let's look at the scores. Let's look at the scores. So everybody has opened their accounts. On the fourth, we have Thangal House with 20 points. Please give a big hand for Thangal House. And on the third, we have Pakamba House with 40 points. Please give a big hand. And on the second, we have Tikendajit with 50 points. And on the top, we have Pauna House with 60 points. So next is our rapid fire round. Now, what is the rapid fire round? In a house, we are going to ask 5 questions. You have to give reply, and 10 5 minutes 5 seconds we will give them 10 seconds. For each question we will be asking 5 questions. We will be giving 10 seconds per question. Timekeeper 10 seconds. Ready? Okay. Please get ready. From Thangal House. Score Thangal House. 10 marks for each correct answer. Which acid is commonly used in car batteries? Which acid is commonly used in car batteries? Which acid is commonly used in car batteries? No. Who discovered the sea route to India in 1498? Who discovered the sea route to India in 1498? Pass. Sorry. Government run by an absolute ruler. What is the name of the government ruled by an absolute ruler? What is the another name of motherboard? What is the another name of motherboard? Okay. Write down the question. If x square plus 40 is equal to 20, what is the value of x? If x square plus 4 equal to 20, what is the value of x? X square plus 4 equal to 20. Kita buat video. It's a math question. How much? 4 is the right answer. 10 marks to the Thangal House. It's a math question. That's why I asked you the last. Math is video is Okay, second house. Ready? Rapid fire round. What is known as the powerhouse of a cell?
Mitochondria.
Yes, mitochondria. Right answer. 10 marks. 10 marks. What is the national motto of India? What is the national motto of India? What is the national motto of India?
Unity.
One who eat human flesh. Hey, go away. What is the term? One who eat human flesh. One who eat human flesh. Human.
Sign.
No. Who is known as the human computer of India? Who is known as the human computer of India? Pass. Okay, next question. Write down. What is the unit digit of the square of 598? 598 की unit digit तो क्या होगा? Last की digit तो 598 की square की. 598 square की last digit तो unit digit. Yes. Yes. Correct. You write that. Okay, pass. Only 10 marks for the ticket in the house. Okay, Pauna house, get ready for the rapid question. What is the SI unit of